Jillian Ward update. Yung post ni Jillian Ward sa kanyang Facebook. Yung sabi niya, good morning. Ang ganda pa nga ng umaga ni Jillian Ward. Nakikita naman. So ito, during endorsement shoot ni Jillian Ward, yung kasama niya ang kanyang glam team. Yung ganda pa nga ni Jillian Ward. So ito pa.
Hi, I'm Jillian Ward. My daily must-have, hydrating hyaluronic acids and cream, lotion for all day, UV protection and deep moisture, and retinol glutathione brightens, firms, fades dark spots, lightweight, non-greasy, glowing skin every day.
GW Timeless Cosmetics with Jillian Ward, you know. So ito, may maswerte din nakapagpa-picture kay Jillian Ward and during taping and Never Say Die. So ito yung behind the scene nila Jillian Ward at David Licauco as a fake couple, you know. Ang mataas ang rating ng Never Say Die. Ang gayon na gumanap sila Jillian Ward. Sa iba pa mga cast ng Never Say Die. Ang iba pa. Abangan pa iba pa mga eksena. Yan sa Never Say Die. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is With Your Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.